Welcome back. Let's begin by opening up a sample program. I'm going to go to the Sample Programs folder. I'm going to select Virtual Worlds and Shaft Encoders. Forward for distance. My program may be different than your program, but basically what I've got is I'm going to wait for a half a second. I'm going to clear the encoders, and then while the sensor value left encoder is less than 720 degrees, I'm going to move forward with my right motor and my left motor. Let's go to Robot, Compile and Download. Challenge 1, start the level. Let's begin by hitting play. Notice that the left motor is going forward and the right motor is going backwards. Let's find out why. Let's close this. We'll go to Robot, Motor and Sensor Setup. My right motor was going backwards because in the motors and sensors setup it's set to be reversed. Let's uncheck that. Let's hit apply. So while we're here, let's see how the sensors are set up. Notice that I've got a light sensor in input 1. It says sensor 1, light sensor, sensor line follower. If we go to our digital sensors, notice that we've got the right and left encoders set up, and our compass sensor, our touch sensor, and our sonar sensor are already pre-configured for us. All the pre-configuration in the pragma statements is done in the motors and sensors setup wizard. Let's close this. I'm going to go to Robot, Compile and Download Program. Let's move this over and we'll start the level. This time, instead of spinning, what should happen is the robot's going to go forward. Let's focus down here on the debugger screen. I'm going to hit play. Notice the encoders reset themselves. Our motor went forward. It was supposed to stop at 720 degrees. I'm going to run this program one more time. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to view and I'm going to take a look at highlighting the program execution. Let's bring this out to the front. Let's reset the current checkpoint. Let's run it. Notice that it reset. And what you'll see is you'll see in the background that it's continuing to check while the sensor value is less than 720 degrees, the motor will move forward. We're going to stop and we're going to allow you to finish the challenge.